Hello everyone, welcome back to KD Code. Do you want to turn your YOLO object detection model into a full web app in under 20 lines of Python code? Then this video is for you. In this today's video, we are taking Ultralytics YOLOv8 and building an interactive browser UI like this using Gradio. There is no HTML code, CSS or JavaScript required here. By the end of this video, you will have a clean web application running locally like this that you can deploy straight to Hugging Face Spaces later. Let's dive into the app.py and requirements file for now. Before we open the code, here are the core libraries you need to run this project without any errors. Make sure you install Ultralytics for YOLO model and Gradio for the web UI application and OpenCV Python headless for image rendering. You have to install all these versions in the same way as I am showing in this requirements.txt file, right? Now let's break down the app.py line by line. At the top of this app.py, we imported Gradio as gr and then YOLO class from Ultralytics. Okay. Then we loaded our pre-trained model YOLOv8n.pt into this model. Here we are using the YOLOv8n because it's lightweight and super fast on CPU. But you can swap this out for your custom trained model, like the best model you can find. Okay. Gradio needs a standard Python function to process the input and return the output. Right. So we created this predict function here. We wrapped the detection logic behind this predict function. We pass the input image to this predict function. Then we pass the image matrix to this model and call the plot function on the result, on the first result, right? This is the result. This will return us all the bounding boxes with all the class labels and confidence scores directly written on the image array, right? That's what we are returning, the annotated image. In the next step, we are using the Gradio's interface. Now we pass the predict function into the Gradio's interface layout here. Notice how the inputs and outputs are set to Gradio.image. This is a safe method that hands raw NumPy arrays straight to OpenCV and YOLO models, keeping the performance fast and leak-free. Okay. Now at the last, you just have to launch the interface. After you run the app, you can see the localhost URL in the terminal. So this is the localhost URL that will be shown in the terminal by default. You can come to this URL in the localhost and load the UI. Now we have a input image and the detection results here. We can select an input image. Let me select a new image and submit the image. Within no time, we'll see the detected class labels, bounding boxes, and the confidence scores around the objects. Okay, let's say here it is the car that is having the confidence score of 82 and the person here with the confidence score of 0.58, like that. Let me show you the another image and submit it. So you see the dog has a score of 80 and the truck has a score of 70 and house 91 and the person's 82 and 72. Like this, you can detect the objects in the image using this YOLO. That's literally it. It all takes just 10 to 20 lines of code here to detect the objects in the image. If you want to learn how to deploy this UI to the Hugging Face spaces for free, let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to grab the full source code in the description. Please subscribe for more Python AI projects and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Thanks for watching.